The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite is most likely launching this month in some markets, and we already know how the phone looks like and also the specifications as well as the pricing of it. But today the first hands-on images of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite were shared by Mr. Tech Talk TV on Twitter. First of all, 2 minutes of silence for the guy who shared these images in the first place, because the IMEI number as well as the serial number is clearly visible, and that dude is definitely fired by now. Anyways, these images did not reveal anything special, but they do give us an idea of how the Galaxy Note 10 Lite looks like in real life, because the renders can be sometimes misleading. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite has an Infinity O display on the front, just like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. So there is a small circular cutout in the middle for the selfie camera. The only difference is that this display is flat and not curved on the sides. On the rear there are triple cameras placed in a squarish camera module, and this is the design trend that a lot of smartphone brands are going to follow this year. There is no fingerprint scanner on the rear because it is placed under the display. Now it cannot be said if this is an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner or an optical fingerprint scanner. Also there is a headphone jack as well as the S Pen. In case you don't know, the specifications include an Exynos 9810 SoC, a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display, 6GB RAM, 128GB storage, and a 4500 mAh battery with 25W fast charging support. The triple camera setup on the rear includes a primary 12MP camera, a secondary 2x telephoto lens, and a third 12MP ultra-wide angle camera. There is a 32MP selfie camera. We also know that the price for some markets in Europe is going to be 609 euros. Let's see at what price this phone comes to the other markets outside Europe. What do you think of the Galaxy Note 10 Lite? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.